Hello everyone, my name is Sushmita Das. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today my topic is electrochemical theory of corrosion. Introduction to electrochemical theory. Electrochemical Electrochemistry is the study of the relationship between electrical energy and chemical changes. It explores how electrical energy can drive chemical reactions and how chemical reactions can generate electrical energy. Understanding electrochemical theory is essential for advancement in energy corrosion prevention and various industrial processes. Oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation is two loss of electrons by a molecule, atoms or ion. This process increases the oxidation state of the species. Reduction is the gain of electrons by a molecule, atom or ion. This process decreases the oxidation state of the species. Redox reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions occur together in a redox reaction where one species is oxidized and another is reduced. Electrochemical cells and potentials. Half cells. An electrochemical cell consists of two half cells, each containing an electrode and an electrolyte solution. Electrode potentials. Each electrode has a characteristic reduction potential which determines its ability to undergo reduction. Cell potential. The cell potential is the difference between the reduction potentials of the two half cells driving the flow of electrons. Nearest equation and electrochemical equilibrium. Nearest equations. The nearest equations related to the cell potential to the concentrations of reactants and products in electrochemical reactions. Electrochemical equilibrium. At electrochemical equilibrium, the cell potential is zero and the rates of oxidation and reduction are equal. pH and potential. The pH of a solution can affect the reduction reaction potentials of half reactions, leading to changes in the cell potential. Electrochemical kinetics and charge transfer. Transfer, the movement of electrons between the electrode and the electrolyte, is the fundamental process in electrochemical reactions. Overpotential. Overpotential is the additional potential required to drive an electrochemical reaction away from equilibrium conditions. Reaction rate. The rate of an electrochemical reaction is influenced by factors like temperature, concentrations, and the electrode material. Butler-Volmer equation. The Butler-Volmer equations describe the relationship between the reaction rate and the overpotential in electrochemical kinetics. Electroanalytical techniques. Voltammetry, measuring the current generated by the oxidation or reduction of a species at a working electrode. Potentiometry, measuring the potential difference between a working electrode and a reference electrode in an electrochemical cell. Impedance spectroscopy, measuring the frequency dependent resistance and capacitance of an electrochemical system. Electrochemical sensors using electrochemical principles to detect and to quantify specific chemical species in an sample. Applications of electrochemistry: energy storage. Batteries, fuel cells, and supercapacitors rely on electrochemical principles to store and convert energy. Electroplating. Electrochemical deposition is used to coat surfaces with a thin layer of metal for protection or decoration. Corrosion control. Electrochemical principles are used to understand and mitigate the corrosion of metals in various environments. Analytical chemistry. Electrolytical techniques are widely used for the detection and qualification of chemical species in samples. Conclusion and future directions. Electrochemical theory, a fundamental understanding of oxidation, reduction, and electron transfer processes. Technological advantage. Ongoing research in energy storage, sensors, corrosion control, and other applications. Environmental impact. Electrochemistry can contribute to sustainable energy solutions and environmental remediation. Interdisciplinary approach. Combining electrochemistry with fields like materials science, biology, and nanotechnology. Thank you.